Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Maintain communal harmony. Rise against those working against interests of minorities. Communal discord is the biggest plague for society, says Archbishop. PI Praveen Kumar Vasht and PSI Vikram Naik manhandled Prudence reporter, went out racial abuse. DIG SP of North Goa assures speedy probe. Mapsa municipality takes major decisions. 49% new shops in market reserved for Mapshekars. Rent reduced from 10% to 5%. Hike in daily wages. Lifeguards threaten to go on strike yet again if 17 sect lifeguards not reinstated soon. Government yet to resolve issue with Drishti. Meeting postponed yet again. And 60th National School Games kick-off at Fathorda. 800 participants for Under-19 football and chalk ball championships. Now the news in detail. Archbishop has called on for preservation of secular fabric of society. He noted few instances are noticed recently which are found to be against minorities. Archbishop said such instances are detrimental for communal harmony. Alert citizens should get united and fight against communal discord. Archbishop Philip Neri was giving his annual year-end address at Archbishop Palace, Altin.
In recent times, however, we are observing certain signs which are causing grave concern, particularly to the minorities, and which threaten to break down the fiber of our nation. One of the worst internal enemies of a nation is communal discord. It can disintegrate a nation. Unless the citizens of a country take cognizance of this treacherous cancer and work unitedly against it, they can become hapless victims of this pernicious malaise.
Goa Police has failed to act against the erring police inspector even after 48 hours of lodging of complaint. PSI Panji Police Station Vikram Naik and PCR PI Praveen Kumar Vasht assaulted Prudence crime reporter and racially abused him. Complaint was lodged on Saturday. North Goa SP has assured to investigate the matter after journalists questioned them on Monday. PI Vasht, however, has denied all the charges.
Our reporter Mukesh Kumar lodged a police complaint against 4 to 5 unknown accused on Friday night for creating nuisance. The accused were speaking in Konkani and our reporter was speaking in Hindi. Police acted on bias and started giving VIP treatment to the accused and tried to harass our reporter. Our reporter captured all the arrogance of police officers on his mobile phone. Recording clearly shows police coaxed accused to file a complaint against our reporter when they had no intention to do so. Finally, they refused to file complaint against our reporter. PI Praveen Kumar Vasht manhandled Prudence reporter and PI Vasht and PSI Vikram Naik started bullying him for no reason.
आपने थप्पड़ मारा है मुझे, मेडिकल से आता हूँ तब बात करते हैं।
थप्पड़ मारा? कभी थप्पड़ मारा? इतना लोग हैं। तुम क्या बात कर रहा है? तुम क्या समझता है? तुम क्या बात कर रहा है मुकेश? क्या समझता है?
पीछे से मारा।
तो तुमको पूछा ऐसे बैठा क्या?
थप्पड़ मैं मारता था। हाँ? तुमको थप्पड़ मैं मारता था जब आपने मेरे से तुम करके बात किया था। हमारे इंचार्ज बोल रहे हैं अभी ये टाइम रहने के लिए।
हाँ? तुम क्या समझते हो?
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप?
तुमको मारता था ऐसा मारता नहीं।
ऐसे बात करता है?
अरे तुमको मैं पहले बोलता है हम कभी हाथ लगा तो तुमको अंदर उड़ाता था पहले। थप्पड़ मारा क्या बोला? हाँ? कितना लोग पागल है?
थप्पड़ दिखाओ कैसे मारा हो?
ज्यादा बात करने लगा मर तू।
और बढ़ेगा लगा। चलो
थप्पड़ मारा ये मारा करके।
The complaint was filed on Saturday. Police did not act upon it for 2 days. Finally, crime reporters of various media organizations met DIG and SP of North Goa on Monday. Appropriate action was assured after pressure from media. In a telephonic conversation with Prudent, PI Praveen Kumar Vast denied all the allegations.
रॉबर्ट सांगले त्यांचे किती हा त्याका वरन पोलीस स्टेशनाक हँड ओव्हर कर म्हणून फाल्यां भायल्या भायर हें नाका म्हणून त्याका आनी त्यांचे ते कोण आहा ते
पण तुमचो बिहेवियर असलो पळय न्हू तुम्ही मॅन हँडल केला आमच्या रिपोर्टराक
ना ना मॅन हँडल कोणी आसला जाता आमच्या सायडीक कोण लोकूय आसले ते मॅन हँडल करपाक ते पोलीस स्टेशन कितें आमी पिशे जाल्या
तुम्ही फाटीचेर थापड बी मारले त्यांच्या
तेजे थापड मारले कोण हा तुका कितें दिसता आमी थापड मारतले म्हणून थंय
तुम्ही मागीर आंगार येयले त्याच्या
आंगार बिंगार कोण काय वचूंक ना
थापड तुम्ही आंगार
बी काय वचूंक ना पब्लीक आसले थंय.
This is yet another example of how the victim is harassed more at the police stations than the accused, at the whims of police officers like PI Praveen Kumar Vast and PSI Vikram Naik. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.